People are asking me what are the 5 most tax deduction I can take it if I have an LLC. Today I will be explaining one by one. So let's start with the first one, organization cost. What is organization cost? Organization cost is to form an LLC. What you have to do, you have to research what types of business you're gonna do. You have to see what types of legal entity is it better for you. And you have to pay the accountant fee, legal fees, all types of fees. Now, the question is, am I gonna be able to take all organization expense as a deduction in the first year? Answer is no. Well, how much am I going to be able to take it? The maximum you can take $5,000 organization cost on the first year. What's going to happen to the rest? Well, the rest you can amortize over 180 months. The next big one is the home office deduction. I know a lot of people, they afraid, they don't know exactly. If you are running a home office, you can take a deduction. Now, the home office rules is that your home office or room or place has to be ordinary business purpose, strictly. Now, if it is, how are you going to take it? Well, the first step, you have to measure the square footage of your business place or room, and then you divide it by all over your house's square footage, and then you get the proportion of it. Now, if once you get the proportion of it, if you look at like all those expenses, like your electricity expenses, your internet expenses, your the repair, your supplies, all those expenses can be taking proportion of your home office place that we calculated earlier, like a proportion home office divided by all office, and then you can get the deduction of it. Well, this is good. The third one is I have a vehicle and I go to client to meet the client. I have a meeting and that's how I generate my income from my business. Can I deduct? Of course you can deduct. Well, in terms of the vehicle, there are 2 types of deduction. One is mileage and the second is depreciation. Well, mileage, that means they take it like at 58 cents per mileage you drive for your business purpose, not the personal. You cannot take your personal for business. 58 cents for business mileage. The second was is depreciation. You can depreciate your vehicle under 5 years, so either straight line or double declining. Someone asked me like, okay, what is straight line, what is double declining? This is like a pure accounting term. It's not that easy to explain you, but I can quickly give you the what is straight line. Straight line means it's the same amount each 5 years. So if vehicle worth of 50,000, you divide it by 5, that means 10,000 of each year you can take the deduction of it. The fourth one is marketing and advertising. People not really come to your office right now unless you advertise on your social media, Facebook. Well, those expenses are your true expense and you can deduct as it occurs. So what does it mean? That means like you paid right now, you can deduct right now. It does not have to be amortized. So whenever you paid it, you can deduct it on your tax return. That's fine. Cool. The last but not least, which is like a transfer your LLC to the SCorp. So you might be ask me like, well, I have an LLC, why do I need to be an SCorp? Why do I need to be choose as a SCorp? Well, there is a reason for it. Once you have LLC, the rule is that whatever amount or whatever income you are earning, because you are self-employed, you must pay 15.3% self-employed tax. In SCorp, you don't have to pay the 15.3% tax, self-employed tax on your tax return. How do I transfer the LLC? There is a form, you need to fill it out and then submit to the IRS. If they accept it, your LLC is going to be treated as a SCorp only for the tax purpose. I hope this finds useful. If it is, Please share and like this video so that your friends can be benefited of it. My name is Zakir Choudhury, CPA. I'm a founder and CEO of Zakir CPA PLLC. My number is 929-207-1516. If there is anything else needed on this matter, we'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much.